what's your favorite traditional food?
Bogobe jale rots.
Everybody loves bogobe jale rots. Local song?
Amanda Brown, Black Mambatile.
Artist?
Zeus. Yes.
Fashion designer?
Keno Custom Suits. I'm sure they always make me look good.
What is it that you wish everybody knew about our country, like people from outside? About us as a people or as a country?
Is that we are very lovable people, and we have the power of unity, the power of a brotherhood and sisterhood amongst us.
And what is it that you think makes us unique as Botswana?
Our tradition. We are unique. We stand out. Even if you compare us to other countries, you find that in terms of our music, in terms of the way we carry ourselves, that's what defines us as a nation, that's what defines us as a country.
And if somebody was to come in from outside, where would you take them and why?
Oh yes, in Hebron, my home village. So that they get to see this guy, the tall guy, the tallest guy, where exactly he comes from, and to explore what is it that Hebron is all about. Because I believe that any other village, there is a story behind.
And what's your favorite tourist destination locally, whether you've been there or not?
Kasane. I love it. The elephants, the animals, the river, it's just amazing. 10 out of 10. Finally, starting you know, I think I'm that person. 1 minute I'm here, 1 minute I'm there.
All over the place.
Yes.